Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be assembling our samosas. For this, we will be needing our samosa filling. I'll attach the video of the keema recipe at the end of the video. Apart from that, we will need our samosa patties, and they're available, so we got them. We need 2 tablespoons of flour and some water to just dilute it. I'm going to start by adding in 1 tablespoon of water into this, and you just want to mix this in, and I'm gonna add some more in there, and I'm just gonna mix this in. You need this to be the consistency of like toothpaste. Once it comes to this thick consistency, we're going to get to our folding. So the folding I'm doing is in a square shape. For that, we'll need 2 patties, and it's really easy. Okay, we're gonna take some of our samosa filling, just put it in the middle. Okay. We're gonna take these 2 sides, put them together, and this flour thing, it helps the sheets in sticking together. Okay, there. I'm gonna do this with the rest of my filling, and you can see this nice beautiful shape, and because of the flour mixture, it is also stuck together properly. I'm gonna do this with the rest of my filling, and I'll see you when these are all filled. These are how much I've done so far, and I'm going to continue making the rest, and I'll see you when Ramadan starts. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.